Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nida'un Nafisah with student number J3102000075. I'm from Nutrition Department, Faculty of Health Science in Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. In here, I will tell you how to make a guava juice. Let's go!
What you need to make a guava juice. First is guava and then ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of water, and condensed milk. Then a blender and a sieve. Let's move to the step. First of all, wash a guava. Then peel and chop it. Second, put the chopped guava in a blender with 2 tablespoons sugar, a cup of water, and condensed milk. Third, blend all the ingredients until smooth. Fourth, before pour it into a glass, strain the guava juice to remove the seed. Fifth, put ice cubes into an empty glass, then pour the guava juice that has been filtered before. Guava juice is finally ready to be served.